Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We're so excited to launch a brand new series where we'll show you how to crochet a collection of mini potted plants. These little creations are perfect as car decorations, desk buddies, or just adorable mood boosters for your room. They also make the sweetest handmade gifts for your friends and family. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and like our channel. Let's go started. Today we will show you how to crochet this mini peach blossom for the car. Let's get started. I am using a 3.0mm crochet hook. Here are the materials we need. Step 1. Crochet the petals. With pink yarn, wrap the yarn around your little finger and guide it to your index finger. Hold the yarn tail. Pick up the crochet hook. Insert the hook into the loop and pull up the yarn. Chain 1 stitch. This will not count as a stitch. Chain 2 more stitches to build height. Yarn over, work 1 double crochet stitches into the ring. Pull through the first 2 loops. Then pull through the remaining 2 loops. Place a stitch marker into the first chain. Yarn over and make another double crochet. Chain 2. Then slip stitch into the ring. Continue the same pattern. Chain 2. 2 double crochets into the ring. Chain 2. Slip stitch into the ring. Repeat until you have 5 petals. Pull the loop long and cut the yarn. Find the short yarn tail and pull to tighten the ring. Remove the stitch marker. Tie a knot at the back. Thread the yarn tail with a hook and weave it in. Step 2. Crochet the flower center. Cut the yarn. Take yellow yarn and thread it through a yarn needle. Insert the needle through the center of the petals, leaving a short tail at the back. Wrap the yarn twice around the needle and pull it through to make a knot. Bring the yarn up between the petals, catch a strand, and pull through to make the stamen. Repeat to create 3 stamens in total. Tie the yarn at the back. Cut off the excess. In the same way, Make 3 blossoms in total. Set aside the blossoms. Step 3. Crochet the branch with brown yarn. Wrap the yarn around your little finger and bring it to your index finger. Pick up the crochet hook. Yarn over. Chain 1 stitch. This will not count as a stitch. Chain 26 stitches for the branch. Place a stitch marker in the first chain. Continue to make the remaining 25 chain stitches. After finishing the 26 chains, take out the wire. Leave left side slightly longer. Crochet 10 single crochet stitches along the wire, starting from the second chain. Pull the yarn through and complete the stitch. Pull through 2 loops. Join the 2 wires together and continue crocheting 9 single crochet stitches around both wires. Chain 5 stitches to form a side branch. Turn back and work 4 single crochet stitches along the chain. After the first single crochet, bend the wire back into place. Finish the remaining 3 single crochet stitches. Return to the main branch and continue crocheting single crochet stitches until the end. Remove the stitch marker. Work the last stitch. Pull the loop long. Cut the yarn. Shape the branch by bending the wire as need. Step 4. Assemble the blossoms. Make the leaves in the same way as the puff flower leaves. Apply glue on the leaves and press the blossoms gently in place. Apply glue to the branch and attach the blossoms one by one. Take the flower pot, crochet the same way as the puff flower pot. Open the center and insert the branch wire through. Pull the yarn tail through the base and wrap it around the wire to secure. Place the wire between the base yarn and weave to hide. Cut the yarn. Finish assembling as in the puff flower tutorial. Your mini peach blossom for the car is now complete.